Amalina ndikaligonza bone chairman wanu anyabude mbali toliane nene.
Amalina ndi Musinguziyo Wase, vice chairman wa Congo ya Bundimulangi. Njende umwe uwemesi ya empole kemu.
My name is Fred Mugerwa, team leader and founder of this foundation here in Bundibugyo. I'm here in his village where landslides hit most in the district. This is one of the villages which has been affected by landslides, and hundreds of people have been displaced. People's gardens have been taken away, cocoa plantations have been taken away. The challenge here is how people can cope up with this situation. We are looking at how we can be able to support the affected households in this community. Landslide is a major challenge here in the district. It is not only affecting this sub-county, it is affecting several other sub-counties in the district. The affected households have been displaced and they are staying in the nearest town, trading center. They are challenged by food, how to access food, but also how to afford school fees for children. Water for drinking. You can see the pipes in the background. The pipes have been broken by the landslide. It's a major challenge here. So there's no safe water for drinking in this community as well. Fred, this foundation.